Greetings everyone. This video will concentrate on how to design the layout of a question paper. An inquiry has been done on few question papers extracted from different subjects, and we have realized that most of the educators cannot design a question paper to an adequate standard. So this video will be telling us on how a design should be done. Let's currently focus on the front page of a question paper where the font has not been consistent, the font size has not been consistent, and also the spacing between the words and the numbering has not been consistent. Also, on the other subject, you'll realize that mark alignment has not been consistent. They have not been aligned adequately. And on mark alignment, the key important thing is that numbers and words should not just be clustered. And if we concentrate on sub-numbering, the sub-numbering should also be taken into consideration, checking whether the sub-numbering is correct or adequate, and looking at the sub-labeling. On the sub-labeling, you realize that the sub-labeling also is not consistent on some other subjects, and even the numbering and the mark alignment has not been consistent. And how do we design a smart question paper? Let's take example looking at this question paper. You'll realize that the layout of this question paper, the educator has designed this question paper using only one column. How do we say one column has been used? He has used one column because the numbers and the words are just clustered in one context. But the key important is that educators or people who design question papers should use at least 3 to 4 columns. By using 3 to 4 columns, you give yourself an allowance to do the numbering on the first column and also the mark alignment on the other column, and you can type your words in the middle column. If you have the sub numbering or the sub labeling, you can also use 4 columns. This is the exact how question paper should be designed. This will be the designed layout, and if we want to center and bold the question and the mark allocation, you can also bold them in this way. You center this and bold the marks there. Then this will be your desired layout of a question paper. Then we have to remove the columns that are there by removing all borders drawn from a Word document. If you remove all the borders, this will be your desired question paper. Thank you very much.